What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the DBM12, which is a 2 ohm stable monoblock marine amplifier. We took the sound of our best-selling DB car amps and added the best marine grade components and parts to create an amp that will last forever. Now I have an amp in front of me right now. Let's open this up and see what it comes with. So here we have some mounting screws to install it onto your boat. We also include 2 Allen keys to run all of your wires into the amplifier, rubber end pieces that are going to make this amp even more waterproof. Here we have the bass remote knob, and this basically plugs into the amplifier and gives you the flexibility to control the level from somewhere more convenient like the hull or the dash in your boat. And here we have the amp itself. You can see it has a nice and sleek design with a clean gray metal sheen. And really cool, when you run power to the amp, this Rockville logo over here illuminates for a super cool look. Now we went to extreme lengths to make this amp truly marine ready. Internally, we conformal coated the PCB board with a waterproof glue that is painted on to protect the circuitry. We then added waterproof silicone covers on both sides of the amps to protect the terminals and make sure water never gets into the amp. The heatsink, including the bottom plate, is made of aluminum, which is rust-proof. The end panels, all of the internal mounting screws, and even the hardware on the amp are made from stainless steel, which is also rust-proof. So even after many years of use, this amp will be rust-free and still operate like brand new. Now this amp has a fully adjustable 12 dB per octave crossover with differential circuitry. And if we take a look at the side over here, we can see some other features. So starting over here, we have our input and output RCAs. Right next to it is our input level, min to max, a subsonic high pass filter, a phase switch between 0 degrees and 180 degrees, a fully functional bass equalizer knob, a low pass knob, input for our bass remote, and a power and protect LED. And on this side, we have our power remote and ground terminals, a 60 amp fuse, and 2 sets of speaker terminals, which is really cool because you can wire individual subwoofers to this unit and it'll parallel at the amp itself. And it has a professional peak limiter circuit that will guarantee distortion-free music at all playback levels. Now the DBM12 is a 2 ohm stable Class D monoblock amplifier that outputs 500 watts at 2 ohms and 300 watts at 4 ohms. We strategically chose to make this a 2 ohm stable amp because 2 ohm is perfect for marine application because a lot of subwoofers are single voice coil 4 ohm subs that are around 300 watts. Now remember, at 4 ohms this amplifier is giving 300 watts, which would be a perfect match for a sub like that. But we also wanted to make sure that this amp could power 2 of those subwoofers if you wanted to add another one. So again, I'm taking 2 of the same subwoofers, both single voice coil 4 ohm marine subs. I'm wiring them in parallel down to a 2 ohm load. This amplifier would be able to power them. Now you're probably wondering what this amp could do, so we actually have a demo set up to show you. Alright guys, we are all set up here. I have the DBM12 powered up. The subwoofer we're using is an Alpine SWRM100, which is a single voice coil 4 ohm marine subwoofer. We have it mounted in an infinite baffle mounting, so let's go ahead and listen to what this sounds like. And I'm going to be using the bass remote knob throughout the demo. So you can see from the demo how powerful the DBM12 amp is. So if you're looking for a powerful, sleek, and versatile monoblock marine amplifier for your setup, look no further than the DBM12 from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.